Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the sheet you want to work on. Click the row that will serve as the header, often row 1, or insert a new row above your data so headings are clear. Once selected, give the header visual priority, bold text, background color, and appropriate column widths. You do this because a well-formatted header improves readability and ensures Excel treats that row as a label when freezing panes or printing. Make sure columns align with your data. Once your header is formatted, decide whether you need it visible while scrolling or repeated on printed pages. For on-screen visibility, use View Freeze panes. Choose Freeze Top Row or select the row below your header and choose Freeze panes so columns and rows behave as intended. For printing, use Page Layout Print Titles. Enter the header row as rows to repeat at top, for example $1, $1. This ensures the header appears on every printed page and helps you confirm layout. To finish, test your header. Scroll to confirm it stays visible and open Print Preview to verify it repeats as expected. If you use filtering, apply Data Filter to the header row so sorting works correctly. If the header does not appear on printed pages, check print titles range or change scaling and margins. Sometimes unusual page breaks hide repeated headers. If things go wrong, unfreeze panes or clear rows to repeat at top. Then reapply settings step by step to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.